Welcome back, Life is a Mission people. What's up? Pleasant afternoon to you all. Anywhere in the diaspora you are. I want to say blessed love to everyone. You know, continue to stay strong. Well, today I'm back in the kitchen. Not going to do anything out of the ordinary or anything extra or any experiment today. It's just the regular. I'm going to do some curry chicken today. Some curry chicken and white rice. So, Life is a Mission people. Just continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel. If you have not yet hit the subscription button and you're watching, browsing through and past this channel, just hit the subscription button if you're a repeat watcher. Alright, and please remember to hit the thumbs up and tell a friend to tell a friend. Life is a Mission, family oriented channel. Well people, as I said, we're going to get straight into the meat of the matter. Meat marinade from the night before. Rest back in the fridge, as you can see. Yeah. So we'll just pull it up out of this now, because you know the little coldness of the fridge kind of set it, not really in the freezer, but in the bottom of the fridge. So over here now, we already have the oil. I take some pepper. I did not see like my garlic down. I never get to get the garlic down. So stay tuned with me then, my people. Yes, my people. So we're just gonna leave this now. Keep sweat and steam cook. Now to know if I water in it, okay? So stay with me, my people. Curry chicken and white rice. Simple supper today. Quick and fast. Yes, my people. As I tell you, this video is not going to be a very long video because I didn't even plan to do this video. But you don't know, as a content creator, why not just do it? Whether if you have 5 minutes or 6 minutes or so. Because I never really in the mood to do this video. And then choose just something simple as we would normally do. Curry chicken, as I said. I never plan to do it. But as Mr. Content Creator, so you just every content for a content creator means something to you. Yeah, man. I one of the worst things for a content creator create content and when him look it messed up. Sometimes if you see sometimes we want to cry, or sometimes you see what we do, we try to edit it out and edit out this and we just can't get it the way we want it. Sometimes we have to edit out even the most important part. You know, so sometimes when, as a content creator, you lose your content, whether in a disturbing way, or technology way, or probably against YouTube guidelines, then I tell you, man, sometimes you pain your arm. You know what I'm saying? Try to name content, and you can't deal with it, deal with it. And every video you go and drop, go and get 1 million views, 1,000 views, 10,000 views, or, you know, 500 or 1,000 views. You have video where you go and drop where sometimes you even feel within yourself that this video, yeah, but most can accumulate 10,000 views or 5. And you're frightened you only get 1,000 views. And the video that you never expect to get a vast amount of views, you're frightened to see how you get the views. Sometimes you wonder, but that's how the system set up, you know? But all content for content creators on YouTube is very important no matter what. But anyway, my people, now as you see me, I wash your rice, you know, put on rice, the meat is still up on the fire and simmer down. So, I kind of wash your rice and now put on. And I always remember my people, wash the rice as much as you can wash it until you see that white part of the water. You know, wash it until you can see actually like the water clear. You're not going to get it clear, but just wash the rice as much as you can wash it because the starch you wash out. And you need to wash out the starch because the whole of starch is not good for us. Alright, my people, so just stay tuned. Life is a Mission TV, family oriented channel. Curry chicken and white rice today. Alright? Well, people, swap the pot and now put in the butter. So, you know, butter there. Yeah. salt. Them say Jamaican judgment always good. Might look enough down people, but them say better you add salt. You understand? Because it's very hard to take away. Like you want scallion or chocho you put in the pot if it's salt. If you want to draw some, not even scallion, because scallion I really like if the rice bun. But the chocho kind of take with some of the salt, but not much. So it's better you add salt than you have to add subtract salt. So after rice steam down now, you can taste rice to find out if rice is too salt. So stay with me on the journey, my people. It's not a long one today. Life is a mission TV. Well, my people, well, season up time of curry chicken now with the hard seasoning. We have green pepper here. You know, because you burn the right pepper in the pot earlier on, flavor the oil. Did not find the garlic. It seems like I run out of garlic because I normally like to burn the garlic and the pepper in the oil like you do certain meat, you know. Anyway, there's a green pepper here. Yeah, this is the flavor of the pot now. And then I have scallion and thyme, onion and pimento seed. Yeah. So put this into the pot now. Yeah. I tip a little bit more water in it earlier because it kind of dry down. So the amount of water that I put in the pot now is to finish cook down and make sure the curry cook out, while this seasoning, when I just put in, which is a ground seasoning, you know, spice up the pot at the same time. When this dry down to a level, I will stir it, dip my spoon and do a little taste, and might have to pepper back the pot now with a little bit of the spice seasoning, because as you know, while the meat are cooked, water keep adding to the meat, so that first seasoning you use, one spice season that you use at first and spice season up the meat to give it that spice, that 1 cup of water that the meat take to cook it might just take away most of that flavor. So when your pot simmer down now, you just taste and see if you want a little of this or a little of that, and you just pick it up back with a little of your spicy seasoning of your choice. You understand? Because everybody have a different choice of seasoning that they use. People use herbal seasoning, people use the regular seasoning where most people say it's not good for us because it's salty and it's full of sodium and all kind of things. But you don't know from the birth of Jesus Christ, we have been using this type of seasoning. That not say we have to continue to use it, but what else to do, you know? So I just leave this now, people, make it stay and simmer down a little bit, as I said. Then I taste it. If I have to pepper it up back with a little of the spicy seasoning. Well, here so now, I just turn on the stove on the rice. Look like it want a little bit of water. So I'm going to add a little bit of water to the rice. Not much, just a little water to the rice. So this will finish steam the rice out. And I'm going to put the stove on a lower flame because I turn it on the lower flame. I need to go on the lower flame now. Alright, so stay tuned, the people. Soon come back. Oh, tip a little piece of butter. Just a little piece. Yeah. It's in the curry pot. Yeah. To get that flavor from the butter. It's a gravy time now, we have to go down to, you know. Yeah, me cook already, it's gravy time now, we just prepare the gravy to that level. Yeah. Life is a mission, not a competition, you know. So this is Life is a Mission TV, family oriented TV. I'm just asking you to continue to support this channel. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button. And please remember to watch the about what you add. Please remember to hit that thumbs up when you hit the video, and continue to share this video, whether in your WhatsApp or on your Facebook page. You can see a video where you like and it's interesting, you know. Even just like the video I recently posted with that little boy, you know, share out all video like that. Nice inspirational videos to post and share to other people, you know, who might not subscribe to the channel or, you know, familiar with the channel. Just share those videos. Those videos is videos that will help the channel to grow when you people share those videos to your contact and friends and family. Stay tuned. Well, my people, I just tasted the meat a while ago. And I think it want nothing. It more want to take out something, people. You have to take out the pepper. No, sir. You just put it in at 3 minutes good. But you have to take it out, boy. No, sir. Too hot. I remember just me and my little daughter come. He's not a pepper lover and she worse. Why? Hot bad, people. Hot bad. Pepper hot bad. But as I say, I don't think I have to add nothing. I can take a second taste. Don't know. No, I not no more. But the pepper hot tonight, boy. When I say hot, I mean hot. Yeah. That's curry chicken simmering down. Come and say simmer down. Simmer down. Curry chicken and white rice, my spend people. Yeah, man. Remember in the days where this would have probably be curry chicken back and white rice instead of curry chicken or curry chicken back. And days are nice still. Yes, my people, finishing touch. See that? So it's pretty, my people. Curry chicken and white rice. You know, everything nice. And I don't know, you know, me always on the go, you know. So when I go see my sanitary plate most of the while. And like we don't have crockery. She plates over there, so. See crockery up. But as you don't know, yeah, as me say, you know, me have sanitary for everything. See it, yeah? That if my boy soup or porridge and me have to go. See the cup them, yeah? See it there? See the cover them, yeah? Me smoothie cup them, yeah? You understand? Yeah. So see, crockery, yeah, man. Oh, my regular juice cup them are done. You know? Yeah, so me have sanitary things, cup for everything. Me have all my shots cups, my shots cup there. Yeah. So see there? Crockery there. But sanitary for soup and porridge. Well, my smoothie cup them, yeah. Well, the regular juice cup are done. Yeah? So, anyway, my people, back to over there. Curry chicken and rice. So life is a mission, people. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please remember to hit that thumbs up when you hit the video. And thanks for watching again. I'm out. Till then, when I come with another video. Love you all.